Hello, Waver. You're coming to this video because you might be saying, what's Wave? Or you might be coming to this video saying, what's Wave and what team should I join? I'm going to try and give you those answers as quickly as I can. What's Wave? It's the biggest group project you've ever done. It is an amazing simulation of what it takes to leave this place and go up there, wherever up there is, and learn how to live there. And we're doing this because that's what we as humans are doing. Whether it's the United States or China or many other countries, we're all trying to go up there. And so we as students are going to prepare for that, and we simulate it. How do we do it? Kind of like putting a jigsaw puzzle together. You've got all these parts and pieces, and you snap them together, and then a whole picture becomes available to you. But you have to have all the parts that snap together. What are those parts? Those parts are called teams. All these teams, they're all kind of different, like a jigsaw puzzle. Some are just one color, some are just another color, some are a mix of colors, and they all have different shapes, but they all work together. And that's the way Wave works best. So what I suggest you do is watch my little videos, but don't stop there. Keep going. Go to the pre-mission objectives. It tells you what you need to know it tells you what you need to learn and what you need to know how to do before our mission. Our mission is when we actually blast off, simulate the blast off, and then we do our activities, and our pre-mission objective starts with, what do we need to know? And so then we go learn it. And then what do we need to do? And then we go practice it. And then we say, well, what are we going to do with this knowledge and these skills? And then we put together our activities. And then we apply those activities on the mission. Now, if you're an athlete or a musician or an artist or even a gamer, you know what it's like to practice. That's kind of like what Wave is. It's practice every Tuesday, and then the mission, the 2-day mission, that's when we do all of our stuff. Okay? That'll become more clear to you as you go along, but you gotta find the right team first. So start with your interests. What do you like to do? What's interesting to you? What kind of makes you go, wow, oh, that's interesting? That's where you start. Join a team with your friends, sure, but join a team, most importantly, where you say, I would like to do that. Now understand, probably a lot of people are going to feel that same way, and it's not unlimited space on each team. Each team caps at no more than 6 people, and some have even less, so be prepared to choose from several teams. Look at those pre-mission objectives, understand what it is you have to do on all those Tuesdays, then look at your mission objectives and say, okay, well, what am I going to do on the mission? Am I going to conduct experiments? Yeah. Am I going to drive a rover? Maybe. Am I going to fly a drone? Maybe. Am I going to paint? Maybe. Am I going to edit a video? Maybe. There's a lot that you're going to do. So you have to understand, even if you're new to Wave, what you're doing on those Tuesdays, because those are our pre-mission objectives, and then what you do on our final mission, that 2-day mission, those are our mission objectives. And once you know that about each team, then you can be much more comfortable in selecting a number of teams that you would be comfortable being a part of. Okay? So that's how we do it. Watch my little videos, but then go read those pre-mission objectives and the mission objectives. Talk it through with some friends, figure out which team you want to go for, have a number of backup selections, and then make those selections.